y'all, it's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm coming back with another mini vlog. I just thought this lighting was cool. It's like I'm standing right in front of my glass door with the blinds closed. So yeah, it's very moody, and I just wanted to take y'all along with me to the store Madrag. It's a female clothing store, very similar to like Fashion Nova, but it's a lot of stores that's just like that. But I love the store, and I will do a mini vlog with me just finding some good stuff. Hopefully I can, so that I can slowly revamp my closet before the holidays. And yeah, I just wanted to take y'all along with me, as in the Goodwill vlog. I will do a mini haul with the things that I purchased after the vlog is posted, so y'all stay tuned. These corsets, $40. This is Madrag. Ooh. I might get this and this. Bad bitches. These shoes so bad. So bad. Y'all, it's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm vlogging right now. It's the next day from Madrag, and I am going to get me a new wig because it's time for me to get another one. And so I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit. In the hair store, they have some very nice wigs, and then I think I'm going to Five and Below, something, I think that's what it's called. And so yeah, I will try to vlog a little bit later, and maybe a little bit if I spend some time with my family. So I just wanted to check in with y'all, and I will see y'all at the hair store. Like $5. See, Ma, this the speakers. This is cute. Oh, I need a new charger. 6 feet cord. Y'all getting y'all Christmas stuff from out of here. Oh, Mom, I wonder can we put wreaths on the door?
I don't know.
Pretty wreath. Y'all, we should let London do the gingerbread. Him and the girl.
Oh, London and Malaya. Oh, yeah, I got some.
Gingerbread. That'd be a cute little get together. I think it's too early for it now, though. It's like a whole month.
Thanks.
Look at these footies. They look, oh, they comfortable. It's so comfortable. Gosh, let's see, the baby ain't gonna be here. I need somebody to have a little girl. Like ASAP. Because a lot of people want to know. Oh, these where the speakers is. So it's a lot of little. I like this. Excuse me, I'm sorry. It's like I like that one.
Yeah.
And like this.
But where you said
the
phone?
pink.
I like the one you had.
What the phone? I didn't see none like that, but I'm pretty sure they probably have some. You probably just gotta look around on the other side. But look, this white one cute if you had like an all white bathroom. What you mean? I just picked the one I like as far as style.
Oh.
And then at first though I was scared. Nisha will tell you that I thought that it didn't work. And then I finally got it to work. But I don't see ones with the little phone on it. The phone slap. I said I like that geometric one. On the other side, this cute too. This pink. What color is your bathroom? Like I like when I'm taking a shower. Yeah, like that's cute. And then I like that one, the black and white. You should pick the one you like though.
It don't matter. I need a big one.
This cute, but I don't know if that match.
What, the bathroom?
Yeah, it look like it do.
This is all black.
And then you know that match your Paris theme.
Yeah.
But yeah, get that one then. It's a big one like mine, like a bulky one. Y'all, look at these funny ass shirts. Breaking news, nobody cares. It's not you, it's me, but mostly you. So today I am doing nothing. I'm just here for the food. You should wear that at a cookout. I'm just here for the food. That one. I like people and all, but cool. Alright, so now I'm in Five Below with my sister and my mom, and we are just looking for speakers. I think she's gonna get this one. So I don't want people looking at me crazy and stuff, so I would catch y'all in the in the hair store. So
Okay.
alright, y'all.